everyone, welcome back to another At Home with Amy. As usual, I am starting off with an intro because the way that I vlog, it just makes no sense. I'm a mom of 3, so I am constantly doing like 27 different things at the same time. There are a few things that I am going to be doing in this vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorated for fall. Now all of this vlog is old things pretty much from September. The vlog videos for me are some of my favorite videos to work on, but then like they require a lot of editing, a lot of detail. It's hard to keep up because I'm trying to upload to short form content, to YouTube, to different platforms. It's a lot, but I also love spending time with you guys in this way, just like more casual. I do more like lifestyle things. For today's vlog, I am going to show you how we decorated the house for fall. We love doing this. This is like a family tradition for us now. Whenever it's Halloween or Christmas, we all decorate. And even though I love decor to look a certain way, I have always let my kids also express themselves in the house. So I'll have little corners where we have like spooky things, and it's just a big mix. So I'm pretty sure that when you have kids, you can relate. We did decorate the house and we had a lot of fun. We had music playing. I think we also watched Hocus Pocus that night, or we had it playing in the background. There's also a trip that we took to Lush. We picked out some bath bombs. Well, the girls picked out some bath bombs because I didn't even use one of them. So yeah, that was really fun. I have been just in the fall vibes, and then I'm also adding in a Sunday reset type of section. I could have maybe made that like a video in itself, but literally I just took like little clips of me doing everything that I was doing, but I had a little assistant, which is my youngest daughter. She loves to help around the house. She's just mommy's mini-me, and I cannot get rid of the footage that I got because it was the cutest thing ever. She was dancing with me and so cute. I did do like a Sunday reset, kind of like cleaning the kitchen, restocking the fridge, putting everything where it needs to go so that when I wake up on Monday, everything is smooth. I'm not running around like a chicken with its head cut off, because that has happened to us before, where we either like had a lot of fun over the weekend or something and we didn't really do everything over the weekend, and then Monday is just chaos. I cannot live like that, and I try my hardest to have a little bit of Sunday to get ready for the week. So that's what I did in this vlog. And other than that, I've just been doing a lot of work. I've been feeling very creative lately. And on top of that, I have been very consistent with the gym again, because in between moves, it always happens to me whenever I start getting like really good results, something happens. I got pregnant with my 3rd daughter when I was probably in like the best shape that I had been in my life. And I ended up getting pregnant with my daughter. I went through a lot of up and down with my weight. And I like to talk about this a lot because it is a topic that I think us moms it's very hard on us. Like, we're expected to like snap back and look perfect and have everything together, and it's just not like that. So now that my daughter, the smallest one, just turned 6, is when I'm starting to feel like the old me is slowly creeping back. Like, there's things that I'm doing. I'm being consistent in the gym. I'm seeing results. I'm feeling way more confident about myself. I did get some footage of a pumpkin patch that we went to yesterday, but I think I'm gonna start a new vlog with that because I'm trying to catch up and organize myself. So this is just going to be like my vlog of things that have happened maybe from like September to now, and then we will start a fresh vlog for October because we have been doing a lot of fun stuff. So I did go to a pumpkin patch. Beautiful freaking scenery. One of the most beautiful trips I've taken. And then probably when you're watching this, we will be in California at Disneyland. So I'm so excited. We have been wanting to take the girls to Disney. When we used to live in Tampa, we had annual passes. We lived at Disney. So we are so excited to go. I have never been to California. We are super excited. I feel like I just cannot wait. We're going to go to Disneyland, probably drive around San Diego. The last thing that I'm gonna do on this vlog, because I don't want to keep putting it off, is I want to go upstairs and put the Halloween decor in my girls' bathroom, because I haven't done that. And I got some really cute stuff from Bath and Body Works, and I also got an all black shower curtain. So I want to change their bathroom, and they're in school, so I want them to come home and like the bathroom just have like spooky vibes. So we can do that together, and then that's going to be it for this vlog. So thank you guys so much for all of the love that you show me, for all of the support, and for hanging out with me in my vlogs, because to me that really feels like just girl time, relax. It's more just life.
sopa, mami, papi, porque en verdad rompieron. Siempre fue bonito, cabrón, tú eres loco. Y hoy, como en tu esa carita donde yo te vi y dije soy de aquí.
Let's talk about some skincare that I have been trying recently. So here I have Good Molecules Niacinamide Serum and also Facile Do You, which is completely new to me. We will start off with the Facile one. This is a hydrating serum. I believe it has hyaluronic acid. This was super hydrating. I loved it. It did not break me out, but I did notice that it ran out pretty quickly. Now, the niacinamide serum from Good Molecules, this is a staple and I stopped using it and I started again. My skin has not been so smooth in so long. The Tatcha water cream update on this. It wasn't working the same for me, but I did start layering it with another moisturizer that has peptide and the combination was so beautiful. I was able to finish this one up, but I do need a little more moisture living here in Arizona. It's a great one though if you need something lighter. And this is the one that I layered it with. This is the Naturium Multi-Peptide Moisturizer. Super moisturizing as well. Layered those two together and I was getting just the right amount of hydration. My skin was plump, no breakouts. So all of these products have been so good. I'm obsessed with all of them. Sale un poco larguita. It's a little long, but it's fine. Not a big amount, and it's just for this month, so cool. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put some decorations on the sink. If I see anything that can match, I'll pick it up, but it's gonna be pretty simple this year. Okay, so I finished the girls' bathroom, but I definitely need like something, a vase with some like black florals or something, but I'm loving it. I'm loving the wallflower. So cute. Okay, so I left it dark so that you guys can see how cute the wallflower is, but I did have the black curtain. Here is the super cute wallflower. I forgot that it did that. So cute. The girls are gonna go nuts. Then I decided to put the Sanderson sisters here because I had them downstairs, but a witchy bathroom needs the Sanderson sisters. And then here we have a candle and some soap. I would love a little tray here. That would look so cute. And I still need to have something to put their toothbrushes in. And then I did this little corner here from stuff that I already had. I love to move stuff around. So that one says Dead Man's Toe. If you know, you know. So there is their little bathroom for now. I would like something a little taller in the center. Their bathroom would be so cute for Halloween. All right, so that's it from me. I am exhausted today.